In today's video, I'm cleaning up my kitchen, so stay tuned. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. As always, Tiny Tidy Tuesday is hosted by Sunday Dawn. Her channel name is The Helpful Home, and I will make sure to link it below in my description box along with the playlist of all the other Tidy Tuesdayers. So I hope that you can click on the playlist and get lots of tiny tidying inspiration today. In today's video, I will be using only 2 products because I am basically just going to wipe down my countertops and put a few things away to get ready to start decorating for the fall season. For my countertops, I will be using the Caldrea spray and the sea salt scent along with a microfiber cloth. To wipe down my tables and my chairs, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray and the pine scent along with another microfiber cloth. Before I start filming in my kitchen, I want to show you guys a couple of items that I just ordered from Tiffany. Her YouTube channel is Small Town 6, but she also started a new business recently. It's called Small Town Apparel. So I'm going to show you the items that I got because I'm in love with them. The first one is this t-shirt, and it says Cozy Weather, and it has a pumpkin on it. It's really cute for fall. The second is a hoodie, and it says Live, Laugh, Love, Jen. So that's going to be great for cooler weather. And then I also got another hoodie, and I also got another hoodie, and it has my initials on it. So thank you so much, Tiffany, for making these for me and for custom ordering her and for doing my custom order with me. And if you guys want anything like this, please contact her. She is great to work with. So let's get started cleaning the kitchen now.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits.
If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel, mainly cleaning, cooking, organizing, that type of thing. I love variety, so I like to do a variety of content. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I would also love to connect with you on Instagram at LiveLaughLovewithJen.
You cross them more than once, yeah. Take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
I actually put the letters on this board the day after I got home from the hospital in 2020. When I could not even yet walk, I wanted a Bible verse that would remind me that God can heal you and that God was going to heal my heart. So this has a very special place in my heart, and I'm wanting to move around some things in my kitchen, but I know that this will always remain in my kitchen to remind me of how grateful and blessed I am to still be here.
Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
And what is a kitchen clean without cleaning the sink? I forgot to mention that I was going to clean the sink in my introduction, but I just used some Miss Meyer's mint scent dishwashing soap and a walnut scrubbing sponge and cleaned my sink.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitation.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's Tiny Tidy. Do not forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the rest of the Tidy playlist, both listed in my description box below, along with Small Town Apparel. I'm going to link her. Along with Small Town Apparel, I'm going to put her link in my description box as well. And before I go, I did want to show you, before I wash these cute little dish towels that I found at Marshall's. They were $9.99 for 3, and this one has a little pumpkin stack on it. This one's got like yellows in it, and this one is orange. So I cannot wait to wash these up and put them out and start decorating for fall. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget, subscribing is completely and totally free. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. And to wipe down my table and chairs, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner. Cannot remember what scent this is in, but I think it's the pine scent.